Master the art of information security with our ISO 27001 e-workshop. Gain practical skills to implement and audit information security management systems effectively. This e-workshop offers expert-led sessions with Dr. Mohamed-Ali Ibrahim, practical tools, templates, and checklists for ISO 27001 implementation, interactive learning activities and case studies, and a globally recognized ISO 27001 Certified Information Security Professional Certificate. Access customizable templates for security policies, risk assessments, and internal audits tailored to meet ISO 27001 standards. Prepare for certification with scenario-based mock exams and detailed feedback to reinforce your understanding and identify areas for improvement. Earn your ISO 27001 Certified Information Security Professional Certificate upon completion, showcasing your expertise in information security management. Why join this e-workshop? Learn directly from an internationally recognized ISO expert, build skills to protect your organization's critical data, and gain tools for immediate application in real-world scenarios. Enroll today in the ISO 27001 e-workshop and take control of your organization's data security. Visit Academy, iqc-vienna.com to secure your spot.